ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. And I just want to thank Norwich city mayors and councilmen and all other elected officials to be here to recognize our Independence Day. And we really thanks because this is a really big day for us. We go through a lot of hard time after 1947, and there are the thousands of Sikhs, 100,000 of Sikhs young killed by Indian forces, and we have 1984 November we had Sikh genocide, and Connecticut state recognized Sikh genocide in capital, and New Jersey and all other states recognized. So we really appreciate for time and supports from mayors and city office. And I just want to thank you everybody. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.